Mark and I started Furst Electrical Services. Furst Electrical is an industrial electrical contracting business. We're a family-owned and operated business based in Boronia in Melbourne's southeast. Our team specialise exclusively in process control and automation. We service businesses in manufacturing as well as businesses operating in warehousing and distribution, airfield control and secondary processing industries.
Our specialisation means we intimately understand what engineers need from their process. Customers choose us because this is our area of expertise. They have confidence that their production is in safe hands.
The essential sites, including this operation, are fundamentally around blending and mixing of all the crop protection products for the Australian market. This site specifically is doing large volume liquid herbicides, insecticides and fungicides for the broadacre market. We built the new facility to support the southeast part of Australia. Most of our clients are nationally based and sell their products throughout Australia. Due to the complexity of the chemical industry, we've had to choose first on their capability. The technical capability had to be across hazardous zoning, understanding chemical interaction, making sure that all the infrastructure was in place to support that, including PLC programming, software upgrades. For us as an organisation, it's the first time we've embarked on such a complex infrastructure. It was professional throughout. Everything operated in the first instance when we started it up, and we've been able to deliver the project and make product on time to meet our demands from our customers.
A brewer may want to alter the temperature of their beer, or a production manager may want to know how many tonnes of fertiliser have been blended. We give our customers the capability to control and alter any parameters they need to. We can set up a virtual private network so a customer can remotely monitor their operations.
Mountain Goat Beer has been around for about 18 years, started by two guys, Cam and Dave. All their products have been ranged nationally. In the last few years we managed to get beer into Dan Murphy's, all the major liquor chains, so we're ranged all around Australia in every state. 80% of our beers medalled at the Beer Awards this year that we'd entered, which was a really pleasing result. So Furst Electrical designed a completely new PLC-driven system to control temperature in all our tanks, right from the ground up, just based on the conversation together. So we need to know temperature and on some tanks pressure as well. So we've automated some of what we call our bright beer tanks, which rely on pressure more than anything. We put pressure sensors on the tops of those tanks rather than relying on little analogue gauges. Installation was done within a day, and what we've received since then is good service and a completely reliable system.
Centre's the peak body for manufacturers in the southeast region of Melbourne. We represent over 200 member companies from all walks of life in different industries, from general industrial manufacturing like myself, to metal bashing as it's affectionately known, right through to food production and the like. It's quite a diverse range. Manufacturing, like all industries, is going through a digital revolution. It's known as Industry 4.0 out of Europe in particular, and what that really represents is the automation side. We need to be productive as we can for the available resources, both whether it's capital or people. It's about getting more out. That's our competitive edge. At any one time, up to 200 variables are being captured at the moment out in the plant, and so through PLC control and so on, that's how you manage it. Without that, you'd be doing it all manually. You'd have half a dozen people managing those key inputs to make sure you're as efficient as you can.
Our business has grown considerably since we began. Last financial year, we grew 343%. It's an exciting time because our projects have also increased in size and complexity. We take on projects in hazardous areas, in explosive atmospheres, and in hygienic environments. Our focus for the future is to build a national profile, and we believe we play an integral role in the continued growth of Australian industry.